Welcome to SmartLife Solutions, your go-to guide for a healthier, happier, productive, and more organized life. Life can be a puzzle sometimes. We're here to help you find the missing piece. Remember, small changes can lead to big transformations. You've taken the first step by being here. In this video, we'll delve into the world of habits to get a clean and tidy home, exploring the challenges of forming new ones and how to overcome them. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Ever thought about the habits that can truly transform your life? You're certainly not alone. It's like deciphering a riddle wrapped in a mystery. But worry not, we're here to assist you. We're going straight to the point. These life-changing habits are not just about showing off. They're about creating a haven, a place for relaxation and rejuvenation. And remember, a healthy life is a wholesome life. It reduces stress disease, and we could all use a bit less fretting. However, forming and maintaining these habits can sometimes feel challenging. One moment you're on track, the next, it feels like a cyclone has swept through your routine. Procrastination is indeed a struggle. Changing habits often begins with time, or the lack thereof. We're all juggling work, family, friends, and personal time. Amidst this chaos, creating new habits gets pushed down the priority list. Then there's the clutter of old habits that seem to multiply. You change one thing, and another issue arises. It's a continuous game of dealing with setbacks and maintaining these new habits. It's one thing to change, but sustaining that change is a different challenge. It's like trying to stop chocolate from melting in your hand. But don't worry, we have outlined 10 practical and transformative habits that you can adopt. So stick around, and let's tackle this life-changing habits conundrum together. The first secret weapon in your cleanliness arsenal is a solid routine. Envision this routine as an invisible helper, always ready to keep your surroundings tidy. The key to this ally is consistency, the magic word that activates your invisible helper. With consistency, your cleaning routine becomes a well-functioning system that makes cleanliness management less time-consuming. It's like autopiloting cleanliness. You don't have to stress over what to clean and when, as your routine maps it out. Now, let's look into building this routine. Firstly, identify daily tasks. These are small things you do daily to avoid mess accumulation, like wiping the kitchen counter after cooking. Secondly, consider weekly tasks such as vacuuming the carpets or cleaning the bathroom. Though it might sound overwhelming, when spread over a week, it's just a few extra minutes each day. Lastly, we have monthly tasks, the big jobs like cleaning the oven. Spread these tasks over a month and they become manageable. Remember, your routine should serve you. If it feels burdensome, reassess and adjust accordingly. Ultimately, the aim is to establish a routine that makes keeping a clean home second nature. Because after all, remember, a good routine is the cornerstone of a perpetually clean home. Before we dive into the next segment, we'd like to take a moment to connect with you, our valued viewers. If you've been finding these tidiness tips helpful, don't forget to engage with us. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos. Leave us a comment to share your thoughts or ask any questions you might have. And don't forget to give us a like if you've enjoyed this video so far. Your support is crucial in helping us create more content like this and boosts our visibility in the YouTube algorithm. Remember, every click, comment, and like brings us closer to our goal of creating a community dedicated to smart, efficient living. Now, let's get back to our tips on decluttering your home and maintaining cleanliness. Stay tuned. Next up, we grapple with clutter, the nemesis of tidiness. Clutter can be likened to an unwanted guest who overstays, transforming your home into an untidy mess. It clogs spaces, disturbs cleaning routines, and is often unsightly. Regular decluttering is akin to a healthy regimen for your home, ensuring the smooth flow of daily routines and enhancing the aesthetics of your space. To declutter, categorize belongings into essentials, favorites, and discards. Be stringent. Dispose off items that don't serve a purpose or carry sentimental value. Implement the 1-year rule. Items untouched for a year are likely unnecessary. Focus on wardrobe management. We all hoard clothes we hope to wear someday. If that someday hasn't come in a year, it's disposal time. Make decluttering a daily habit, spending 15 minutes on specific areas. This systematic approach will gradually result in a clutter-free home. Every item removed equates to less cleaning, organizing, and stress. Prioritize according to key requirements. A clutter-free home is about more than aesthetics. It's about creating a serene space where your mind can breathe. So, banish the clutter, and you've won half the battle against messiness. Last but not least, let's dive into some cleaning commandments to live by. Your home is your castle, and these are your loyal knights on standby against dirt and grime. First off, don't underestimate the potency of nature's cleaning allies. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon, they're your cleaning arsenal, tackling dirt and odors minus harsh chemicals. Second, understand your enemy. Dirt isn't uniform. Dust can be gently swiped away, whereas grease needs a rigorous scrub. Third, do not delay. A small mess can grow into a large hassle. Nip it in the bud before it piles up. Fourth, make cleaning a group task. Delegate among your family, because cleanliness is a team game. Fifth, celebrate small accomplishments. Rewarding yourself for small tasks motivates you to keep your castle clean. Sixth, use the right tools. A knight wouldn't charge into battle with a butter knife, right? So, equip yourself adequately. Seventh, cleanliness is more than just a visual aspect. It's about maintaining a healthy, cheerful living space. Take pride in the cleanliness of your home. Lastly, enjoy the process. Cleaning can be calming, a chance to clear your mind and surroundings. Armed with these cleaning commandments, your home will be a haven of cleanliness and tranquility. To wrap it up, maintaining a clean home isn't as daunting as it may seem. It's all about understanding the art of cleanliness and the power of routine. The journey of cleanliness begins with a single step, the decision to keep your space tidy. Instead of viewing cleaning as a chore, consider it as an opportunity to create a more comfortable and inviting art of maintaining a clean home lies in taming the beast that is clutter. Clutter is deceptive, and it can creep up slowly until one day you find your home in a state of chaos. The key is to nip it in the bud. Create a system, perhaps tackle one room at a time or focus on one type of item each day. Don't let things pile up, instead, declutter regularly. Donate, sell, or repurpose items that are no longer needed or loved. The next step is to embrace the power of routine. Cleaning needn't be a task reserved for weekends. Infuse it into your daily routine. Make your bed in the morning, clean the dishes after every meal, sweep the floors daily, and do the laundry regularly. This way, you stay on top of things and prevent the accumulation of and clutter. A clean home isn't just about cleanliness and order. It's also about creating a space that is pleasing to the eye. So remember to add a touch of beauty. Arrange your furniture in a way that facilitates movement, showcases your personality, and adds warmth to your space. Use pleasant fragrances to enhance the ambiance. Furthermore, consider the cleaning commandments as your new best friends. They are the guiding principles that will ensure the upkeep of your home. Stick to them diligently, and you'll notice the transformation in your space. These steps are the true secrets to a home that sparkles and shines. They are your roadmap to the clean, serene space you've always visualized. In conclusion, maintaining a clean home is about adopting a proactive approach, effective systems, and being consistent. So go forth, use these tips to transform your home into the clean, serene space you've always wanted. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Before we wrap up, we want to invite you to join our SmartLife Solutions family. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about living a smarter, more efficient life, hit that subscribe button. We're constantly working on bringing you the best tips, tricks, and strategies to make your life easier and more efficient. Remember, SmartLife Solutions is more than just a channel. It's a community of people striving to live better and smarter. And there's always room for one more in our family. So don't hesitate. Click that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and become part of a community that values efficiency, cleanliness, and smart living. Join us on this journey of creating cleaner, happier, and more efficient homes. We promise you, it's a journey worth embarking on. Thank you for watching, and remember, a clean home is a happy home, and a happy home is a smart life home. See you in our next video.